Hey guys, welcome back to DataPointer. We are back with another video. In this video we will explore the functionality of Jupyter Notebook. We will be seeing some shortcuts and file management of the notebook. If you have not watched our previous video on installing Anaconda Navigator, then do watch that video. So hope you are enjoying the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. If you do not know about the navigation of the notebook, then watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. You will be getting this screen when you launch the Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda Navigator. So to create a new file, click on the button that says New and select Python 3. A new tab will be opened. You can rename this file by going in File and then clicking on Rename option. Rename, you give the name of your choice. Now you can see that the file is created and saved with the IPYNB extension. IPYNB stands for IPython Notebook. You can write your Python code in the box. If you wish to see the number of lines that you have typed, then click here and press the letter L. Similarly, if you wish to hide the number of lines, press the letter L again. If you wish to insert a new cell, you can do so from here. If you wish to run and create a new cell below, press Shift key and Enter key. If you shut down your notebook and open it, the code and all the cells need to be run again. In this case, you can select Run All options from here. There is also an option to run a particular cell. If you wish to add a comment, you can do so by going in Cell, then Cell Type and select Markdown. To save your cell and create a checkpoint, you can click on this option, or go to File and select Save and Checkpoint. To view your all saved notebooks, go to C Drive, then open the folder named Users. Then open the folder that has your name. Here all the notebooks are saved. When you finish your coding in the notebook, and in case you do not want to save it with IPYNB extension, there are many other options to save it. You can save it as PDF, or as HTML. You can also get the Jupyter Notebook online. To code in the online notebook, simply type Jupyter Notebook online in any of your favorite browser. Then click on the link that says jupyter.org. Then select the Tricassic Notebook option. Wait for the page to load. It will take some time depending on the speed of your internet. Then select New Notebook from File menu, and click on Python 3. A new tab will be opened. Start coding in this notebook, and once you are finished with your coding, from File menu select Download as option and choose the extension that you want. So that's it for this video. In the next video we will see how to code in the notebook. So thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed learning with us, then do like and share the video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel DataPointer and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates. Once again, thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.